Okay, yeah, I got another haul. This haul is the promotion that they were doing. When you spend $50, you get a free 3-wick candle. So I told y'all in one of my other videos that I did place an order for 5 candles. I bought 4, got the 5th one free, which was a really good deal because the candles was $10 off. So it still made the candles about $10.80, which was a really decent deal for me. So yeah, I grabbed some backups. Let's open this box real quick. I think I have just about all of the candles that I want, so I'm gonna try not to buy any more candles until Candle Day. I'm gonna try my best because I don't think anything is coming out. I'm not real excited for the Christmas candles, so you know, it's not a big thing for me, a big deal for me to get any of the Christmas candles. So I think right now I'm a little bit okay. I'm not really like super excited for those candles. I'm super excited for that Oud collection. That's the collection that I really want. So I want to get my hands on that whole entire collection because those are candles that I really like. As far as the Christmas candles, I'm just not excited for Christmas candles. I'm just not. I think the Christmas candles is probably my least favorite season from Bath and Body Works. It's just, I'm just not a big fan of all those spices and things like that. So yeah. So I'm gonna try my best to not purchase anything because I feel like I got just about all of the backups that I want. I think I just need maybe 2 more, so I could somewhat hold out for a little while. Also with this order, I did use some rewards, so I got 2 candles, 2 single wick candles. Y'all know I normally use my rewards for that. So let's get into this haul. Also, the first candle I got is this vanilla bean candle, single wick candle, and the reason why I got this one is because they changed it back to the original notes. So that's the reason why I really wanted this. The Madagascar vanilla bean, the homemade marshmallows, and the fresh steamed milk. They brought the old scent notes back. Now I'm not sure if this is going to smell like the older version, because I do know I do have the other version with the cinnamon or nutmeg or something in it. So yeah, I did want to grab the old version. I really would like to have it in the 3-wick, but single wick will do. It's actually nice. This candle is nice. It's just that, you know, with all of Bath and Body Works vanilla scented candles, they kind of throw a little bit low. So I actually like the packaging as well. The packaging is actually cute. It's giving that fall vibe. I actually like it. So yeah, I grabbed this one. I think I grabbed 2. Did I grab 2 or just 1? Let's see. Let's see what the other one is. Oh no, I grabbed 1. Okay, and the other one is Fall Farmhouse. Fall Farmhouse is the next one. Packaging is actually kind of cute. I like the packaging. Let's see what the scent notes is in this one. Is it on here? Spiced pumpkin, forest pine branch, fresh fall air. I do have this in a 3-wick that I've bought like a couple of years ago. I think it's a 2020 version, I believe. And I think I've only burned this candle once. So I wanted to give it another try. So that's the reason why I just decided to just grab the single wick, because I just want to give it another try. This smells like a wreath that you put on your door. It's most definitely a greenery or a tree like scent. Spiced pumpkin. I just get like green. I guess that's that pine. Yeah, slightly spice and pine. So yeah, so this is like a spicy green like tree or whatever. So I'm gonna give this another try. Like I said, I do own one of these, maybe two, but I never reach for that candle. So yeah, free with rewards. Now the other candles I got is mainly backups. So the first backup loose from the jar, but the first candle I got is Cypress and Amber. I already own one of these, and remember when I first hauled it, I said I was not gonna burn it until the weather kind of changed. So I did want to grab another one. So yeah, Cypress, smoked amber, fresh bergamot, and again it's loose, you can actually hear it. So yeah, that's this one, and I actually really like it, but it seems like a very a cold weather candle, very much fall. This is actually nice, real nice. So yeah, that's the reason why I got it. Cypress, amber, bergamot, fresh and warm. Cinnamon Irish cream. I think I have this one, but an older version of this candle, so I kind of wanted to grab it, another one. I think I got a really old one, and that's what the packaging looked like, and it looks a little weird in the jar, but it is what it is. As y'all do see, it's a little weird in here, but it is what it is. As long as it burns right and it's not loose from the jar, or the jar isn't broken, I can kind of deal with like that. I think that's just like, I don't know. I ain't even finna try though. This is good. This smells really good. Cinnamon spice liqueur, Irish cream, French vanilla. This actually smells good, and I think this is online exclusive. I think this smells really good. This is nice. I actually really like this. Most definitely get that Irish cream, and it's giving me like a cocoa, like hot chocolate almost, but probably like how I like my cocoa, because I don't like chocolate. I usually will put a little bit less cocoa in it and maybe more of the cream or milk. So this is like really creamy, and oh, this is good. I like this. I get the cinnamon, but to me it's like creamy cinnamon. Yeah, I like this one. This is nice. This is nice. I most definitely see myself burning this on like a Sunday morning while I'm sipping my coffee, and just a whole vibe. Yes, yes, yes. This is good. I might have to grab another one. I need to check my collection and see if I actually have this one. I think I do, but I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, I like this. Put in the comments. Let me know in the comments. Have you tried this one? What is your take on this one? Leave that in the comments. Let me know, y'all, because this smells really good on cold, and it's kind of strong on cold, especially for it to be a cream candle. Y'all know most of the time those cream candles just really don't throw good. They be very soft, but this one smells really cold, really good on cold, strong on cold. Poppy. The next one is Poppy. I think I had it wrong. Okay, there we go. The next one is Poppy, because Poppy is completely sold out in my area. And I already know they're not going to get any more. So I had to order another one online. So yeah. Yes, Poppy. I love the packaging. Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. And again, like I always tell y'all, because this candle is associated with a body care line and a perfume line, once the candles sell out, chances are they are not going to restock this candle. So if you still have this in your area, your stores, and you really love it, and you only got maybe one or two and you want more, you better get it on the next sale or whenever you see it. Because chances are, when it's gone, it's gone. Honeydew, wild poppy, rhubarb, pear. Juicy Pear. That's the scent notes. This is good. I really like this. And I think this will make like number 4 for me. So I'm good with 4. So I don't have to order any more or be on a run or for any of this, because I feel like 4 is a good number for me. The next one is Spice Pumpkin and Patchouli. I already own one, so I wanted to get another one, and I actually want to get one more, because with this whole collection, I think they call it like the neutrals. With this whole collection, I wanted to make sure I got 3 of everything in this collection, and I still haven't got that cinnamon, the spice cinnamon, vanilla, whatever it is. I still haven't got that yet, and I don't know why, because I had every opportunity to get that candle, and for some reason I just keep on bypassing it for some reason. But you know what, I think the next time I order candles, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and order 2 of those candles. So yes, this is the packaging. I'm sure everybody know what it looked like. A lot of stores still have this candle. My store did restock these, which was surprising, because I thought that once they were sold out, they were going to be done. But my store actually restocked them. I was shocked. But again, with this whole neutral collection and with the Christmas candles coming out, these candles is probably going to be removed from the floor very, very soon. So if you haven't grabbed this yet, I recommend you grab it. Or this might be a candle that come back on Candle Day. So you probably will find it on Candle Day. You might find it on the winter semi-annual sale. So yeah, it's not a big rush. I don't know. I don't want to say run for this candle, because for some reason a lot of people is not talking about this whole collection, even though it is a really, really good collection. Do I see people grabbing this collection on Candle Day? Yes, because most of the time all the candles sell out on Candle Day. So yeah. Will it be around for semi-annual? It might. It depends on what Candle Day do. If everything is sold on Candle Day, it's a chance that you won't see this candle again unless they ship more to the store. So I don't want to take a chance. This is something that I know I want. I've been getting them for like $10.50, $10.80, around that price point, which is not bad for me. Yes, Candle Day prices will be around $10 or a little bit under it. That's a good price too, but I feel like $10.80 is not a bad price. Like I always tell y'all, I try to get my candles price point around $10. $10 is the price point that I'm willing to pay. Yes, I would like to pay under $10, but most of the time, lowest I could get these candles for is around $10.50. So yeah. So I got this. I really like this. The scent notes is rich pumpkin, warm patchouli, a touch of cinnamon sugar. Yes, and I have not burned this candle yet. I know Sneeko always talk about this candle and she says it's really, really good, but I personally haven't burned it yet, so I don't know what it's going to do for my environment. You know, I don't know if it's going to be a powerhouse or if it's going to be a dud. I don't know. I haven't burned it yet because it is very spicy like, and I just wasn't ready for spicy candles yet. You know what I'm saying? So that's the reason why I haven't burned it yet. But this is nice, but for me, this is more when it starts getting cold. When I start putting my coat on, then yes, I want candles like this. Even though y'all know I love spring. I love the spring candles. I love summer candles. I love like sweet, juicy, fruity candles. That's what I just truly, truly love. The spices is just okay for me. This pumpkin peanut brittle. Pumpkin peanut brittle. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This candle is good, but like I told y'all before, I was gonna grab, every time I placed the order, I was gonna try to grab at least one of these. This candle is good, but it's not like my favorite, like I gotta have it. And the only reason why I'm really stocking up on this candle, just in case it goes away and never come back for another 2 to 3 years, so I just figure I'll just grab a couple of them just so I can have in my collection. And don't get me wrong, it smells good. You most definitely get that peanut brittle, that sweetness, that like caramel and peanut butter or peanuts. This is, it's good. It's just, and it's loose. It's loose as well. God dog, I hate that. It is what it is. But yeah, this candle is good. Everybody love this candle, but it is online exclusive, so the only way you could get it is through an online order, or if somebody just so happened to buy it and then returned it to the store. That's the only way, because I haven't seen any in my store, you know, like how sometimes they accidentally send or ship stuff to the store. I haven't seen that in my area. My area never gets surprise stock ever. So Bath and Body Works, if y'all want to send my area some of those oud candles, your girl will be highly appreciative of it, and I will thank you, and I most definitely will talk about them and I most definitely will buy them. So please, please, please send some to my store. But that's all I got. So don't forget to leave your girl some comments. Let me know, what are some candles that you get, or you buying backup candles? Leave that down in the comments. Or are you holding out for Candle Day? Hopefully everybody is still saving their money for Candle Day. Hopefully you got your plan in motion. You know exactly what you're going to do. We got about 8 weeks until Candle Day. So 8 weeks, hopefully everybody got their plan in motion. You know, you're saving. You know exactly what you're going to do. So now we probably need to slow up on buying candles or doing a lot of these sales, because I already know everybody is going to go crazy on Candle Day. So that's the reason why I said I'm not going to be ordering as much. I'm not super pumped for the Christmas candles. I feel like all of the candles that I wanted to get in backup, I already have. I'm happy about that. So these candles that I've been buying is candles that I will not be buying on Candle Day. Only candles I'm buying on Candle Day is new items, new things, new candles for Candle Day. I'm not buying any backups. I'm just not going to do it. At least I don't plan on doing it, because y'all already know we plan one way and it goes a whole different way. So yes, leave comments. Let me know, what are you buying? Or you still buying backup candles, or you on a no buy and you're gonna just hold out for Candle Day? Leave that down in the comments. Also, I gotta give a big old shout out to all of my MVP riders. Thank you for always supporting me, for always watching everything and anything I put out. I truly appreciate it, because you riding for me. You are riding for your girl. You're riding for me, and I truly appreciate it. And I just wanted to always tell y'all thank you for always supporting me, because you're watching my videos. That's the reason why I keep on posting. So thank you for always supporting me. Also, y'all, don't forget to hit that notification bell. Hit the bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. You'll be notified, and hopefully come running. Hopefully. Also, follow or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. All that stuff do help me. I truly appreciate y'all. And I gotta go. I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.